How to purchase Battle Pass and Marvel Rivals. So first, you simply need to open up the game, then go to the season section here at the top. Now, once you're there, you will see the Battle Pass right here. So if you don't buy the Battle Pass, you could just simply buy these free skins right here. Well, it's not technically free, but you could buy it with the currency that you get while playing, like this currency right here, which is the Chrono token. So you could get that by playing the game, and it will it will be the reward when you play the game and get achievements and stuff. So you won't need to buy anything with real money. So if you have the Chrono tokens, you could buy the items that are available to be bought here on the Battle Pass section right here. So the locked ones, which says luxury here, it means that you will need to buy the Battle Pass in order to purchase that particular item with Chrono tokens. So, but the ones that without the lock or luxury sign, you can buy it on the Battle Pass right here. As you can see, it is locked, but this one isn't. So I could buy this if I want, which is worth 200 Chrono tokens. But if you want to get all of this, or if you want to have access to buy all of this, you simply need to click on Purchase Luxury Battle Pass right here. So there are two options, which is the normal one and with the acquisition bonus. So if you purchase this one, you will need this option right here, which will give you 500 lattice, or that will amount to $499. And if you want to purchase the acquisition bonus, you will need to buy this amount of lattice, which is $999, and another one which costs $0.99. So 1,100 lattice. So you could buy this Battle Pass with the acquisition bonus. And once that's done, you could now basically buy everything that is locked here on the Battle Pass section. And that's basically it.